Ecology, important multiple choice questions and answers for neat point of view. Question number 1. Which one of the following ecological services are come under supporting services? The right answer is 3. Soil formation. According the Millennium Ecosystem Assessment, grouped ecosystem services into 4 categories. They are supporting services, provisioning services, regulating services, and cultural services. The soil formation comes under ecological services. Question number 2. Water hyacinth, that is Eichhornia crassips, is a hydrophyte with the right answer is fourth one, 1 and 2. Water hyacinth is a hydrophyte with offsets and balancing roots. Question number 3. Sundarbans in West Bengal are examples for. The right answer is 1. Regulating services. Regulating services includes climate regulation by afforestation, water purification by microbes, flood protection by plants such as mangroves like Sundarbans in West Bengal. Question number 3. Lungs of the world. The right answer is fourth one, 1 and 2. Lungs of the world, plants and phytoplanktons. Question number 5. Germination of the seeds when the fruits are still attached with the mother plant is referred to as. The right answer is 3. Vivipary. Germination of the seeds when the fruits are still attached with the mother plant is referred to as vivipary. Question number 6. Heterophyly is found in. Heterophyly is found in. The right answer is fourth one, all of these. Heterophyly found Limnophila, Ranunculus and Sagittaria also. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not a measure to protect pollinators? The right answer is increasing level of pesticides. It is not a measure to protect pollinators. Remaining 3 statements are measure to protect pollinators. So here answer is 2. Increasing level of pesticides. Question number 8. Number of vertebrate species involved in pollination. The right answer is 3. 1035. Number of vertebrate species involved in pollination is 1035. And invertebrates is 1 lakh. Number of invertebrate species involved in pollination is 1 lakh. Here the question is vertebrates. So these are the number is 1035. Question number 9. In submerged hydrophyte, gaseous exchange takes place through. The right answer is 1. Diffusion from entire body surface. In submerged hydrophyte, gaseous exchange takes place through diffusion from entire body surface. Question number 10. Number of grams polysaccharide formed from 180 grams of glucose. The right answer is 3. 162 grams. Number of grams polysaccharide formed from 180 grams of glucose, that is 162 grams. Question number 11. Ephemeral plants are categorized under. The right answer is 2. Drought escaping plants. Ephemeral plants are categorized under drought escaping plants. Question number 12. Drought avoiding plants are right answer is 3. Succulents. Question number 13. In photosynthesis, to produce 180 grams of glucose and 193 grams of oxygen, plant will be grams of CO2 and grams of water and consume kilocalorie of solar energy. The right answer is 2. In photosynthesis, to produce 180 grams of glucose and 193 grams of oxygen, plant will absorb 264 grams of CO2, 108 grams of water and consume 677.2 kilocalories of solar energy. So the right answer is 2. Question number 14. How much of CO2 absorbed for the production of 180 grams of glucose in plants? The right answer is 4th one, 264 grams. How much of CO2 absorbed for the production of 180 grams of glucose in plants? Answer is 264 grams of CO2. Question number 15. The type of parenchyma well developed in hydrophyte is? The right answer is aerenchyma. The type of parenchyma well developed in hydrophyte is aerenchyma. Bryophytes have some ecological importance as they are the first to colonize. The right answer is 2. On a barren rock. Bryophytes have some ecological importance as they are the first to colonize on a barren rock. Question number 17. How much solar energy consume when plants release 193 grams of oxygen? The right answer is 1. 677.2 kilocalorie. How much solar energy consumed when plants release 193 grams of oxygen? The right answer is 677.2 kilocalorie. Question number 18. Inside the plant, 180 grams of glucose can be transformed to grams of polysaccharide. The right answer is 3. 162 grams. Inside the plant body, 180 grams of glucose can be transformed to 162 grams of polysaccharide. Question number 19. The most important pollinator for agriculture purposes is? The right answer is 1. Honeybees. The most important pollinator for agriculture purposes is honeybees. Question number 20. Identify the correct statement. The right answer is 3. Recreation and nutrient cycling accounts for less than 10%. This statement is correct. Remaining 3 statements are wrong. Question number 21. Ecosystem services such as education, recreation and aesthetic value comes under this category. The right answer is 3. cultural services. According Millennium Ecosystem Assessment grouped ecosystem services into 4 categories: supporting services, provisioning services, regulating services, and cultural services. Education, recreation, aesthetic value comes on cultural services. Question number 22. For the production of every 1 gram dry organic matter, plants can fix grams of CO2. The right answer is 1.63 grams. For the production of every 1 gram dry organic matter, plants can fix 1.63 grams of CO2. Question number 23. 1 acre of trees annually consume the amount of CO2 equivalent to that produced by driving an average car for miles. The right answer is 26,000 miles. 1 acre of trees annually consume the amount of carbon dioxide equivalent to that produced by driving an average car for 26,000 miles. Question number 24. Oxygen produced by the plants in 1 acre area sufficient to breathe how many people? The right answer is 4. 18 people. Oxygen produced by the plants in 1 acre area sufficient to breathe how many people? It means 18 people. Question number 25. According to Millennium Ecosystem Assessment, ecosystem services are grouped into how many categories? The right answer is 3. That is 4 groups. According to Millennium Ecosystem Assessment, ecosystem services are grouped into 4 main categories.